Third one, write a NumPy program to create a 3 into 3 matrix with values ranging from 1 to 9. Okay, so values from 1 to 9, we have to convert values this 1 to 9 into 2-dimensional 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, 1D into 2D, 1 dimension into 2-dimensional matrix. Okay, so using arrange and reshape function, we can convert a single dimension into 2-dimensional. Here we will see with an example. It's 1 to 9 no? So import NumPy as np, x is equal to np dot arrange function is there here. Arrange function is it like a range function it is. So 1 comma 10, 1 comma 10, again dot reshape. Okay, reshaping number of rows and columns, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3 rows comma columns here. Okay, so print x here, print x here. So execute 1 comma 2 4 7 8 10 here. Okay, so here reshape function here. Observe shape and order is there. Nd array, any data type, sign arrange function it returns evenly spaced with a given interval. Okay, with given elements 1 comma 10. Suppose if you want to 2 rows and 4 columns and just arrange elements to replace to 9 here. For 2 rows and 4 columns, just convert this reshape parameters to 2 comma 4 here. Just execute. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Okay, such a way you can convert rows and columns using reshape function here. Okay, using arrange function and the reshape function, depending upon the elements and the shapes. Okay.